Healing Bible Scriptures, calm and faith-based video. Welcome to this peaceful space where the worries of the day can fade away, and your spirit can be lifted up through the power of God's Word. In this video, we will be sharing some powerful Bible scriptures that will bring healing, strength, and comfort to your life. Are you feeling anxious, stressed, or in need of some divine intervention? Well, then this is the perfect video for you. We have put together a collection of uplifting and encouraging Bible verses that will soothe your soul and remind you of God's unwavering love for you. So sit back, relax, and let the Word of God wash over you and bring you peace. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Here are 10 healing Bible verses that will calm your mind and soothe your soul. 1. Psalm 147:3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. 2. Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened. 3. John 14:27. Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. Keempat, Isaiah 40, banding 29. He gives power to the weak and strength to the weary. 5. Philippians 4:6. Be anxious for nothing. 6. 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your anxiety on him, since he cares for you. 7. Psalm 34:18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted. 8. James 5:16. The prayer of a righteous person has great power as it is working. 9. Psalm 103:2. Bless the Lord, O my soul. Forget not all his benefits. 10 Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord.